This is how to get started. Go to your YouTube channel, click on your profile downwards, and also click on create channel, and you see your handles here. You can change your handle name, like I'm changing it from Shopify Shop Perfecta to help desk. Let's see if it's available. It's not available, so let me add another thing again, help desk guide, and voila, is available. So that's beautiful. So we get on now to get our handle. Then I'm going to change the name from Shopee Perfecta to help desk guide. In that way, the name will be available to everyone who comes on YouTube to search for a detail when it comes to your YouTube channel. So now then, my picture profile, I'm just going to use a random picture. This is just for tutorial sake, so it's a random picture. I'm not going to use this. And let's go back. Let me use another one. Let's say, okay, let me just use this as a sample. How to simple guide. So I'm going to be using that. Let's go back. So you save it as profile picture and wait for it to show you that it's updated successfully. Then you click backward, click on down, create channel, and your channel is ready for use. So you can see it is done, set and ready. So thank you for watching.